Welcome to our guide on the 10 best Excel tricks for beginners. Get ready to simplify your spreadsheets. Excel doesn't have to be confusing. With just a few simple tricks, you can start working faster, smarter, and with confidence today. We've gathered the 10 most essential Excel tricks every beginner should master to truly unlock the power of spreadsheets. Trick number 1, auto-fit columns. Tired of messy columns? Double-click the column border to instantly resize it for clean tables and better readability. Trick number 2, freeze header row. If you're scrolling down a big sheet, freeze the top row so headers stay fixed, ensuring easy navigation of large data sets. Trick number 3 is quick sum or AutoSum. Need totals fast for expenses or sales? Use the AutoSum button to calculate instantly. Trick number 4 is the magic of Ctrl+Z. Made a mistake? Press Ctrl+Z to go back in time, saving you from errors and stress. Trick number 5, sort data. You can sort data alphabetically or numerically in one click, making rankings, lists, and reports much cleaner. Trick number 6, filter data. Filters help you focus on exactly what you need, allowing you to find specific values and analyze large data sets efficiently. Trick number 7, conditional formatting. Let Excel automatically highlight important data by turning cells different colors, which helps you spot high and low values instantly. Trick number 8, quick copy using the fill handle. Drag the fill handle at the corner of a cell to copy formulas or patterns, saving you massive time and avoiding repetition. Trick number 9 covers basic formulas. Simple functions like sum, average, and count unlock Excel's real power, making it a must-know for beginners. Finally, trick number 10, table format. Turn raw data into a colorful professional table instantly, giving you better design and built-in filters. These 10 Excel tricks can save you hours every week. Master them, and Excel becomes easy, fast, and fun. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, comment your favorite Excel trick below, and subscribe for more essential Excel tips.